Dear Ari, I'm so proud to be your father. Every day, I look at your face and think about your future. What are your hopes and dreams? Who's the person you will end up being? Will you be able to continue calling Hawaii home? And I know parents like me are looking at their children and asking the same questions. That's what drives me to lead HawaiiKidsCAN. This is personal, like your ancestors before you, who worked the fields of Hawaii's sugarcane plantations, or who survived war and racism. I know you're capable of anything. Every kid deserves a chance to succeed and reach their potential. Kids like Phoenix Maimiti Valentine.
Aloha.
She's a shooting star, a homeschooled student from Waianae, an alumna of HawaiiKidsCAN's youth advocacy program, and our first student board member. Phoenix hasn't been afraid to speak her mind, and her voice has been heard before the legislature, Board of Education, global podcasts, and international film festivals. As an Indigenous Native Hawaiian artist, her work advocates for the Hawaiian culture and language, survival of species, science, and education. Ari, I hope you learn from her courage and passion. Learning is everywhere, from the fish pond to the Capitol. Children aren't one size fits all, and neither should be their education. Your generation deserves so much more. I have no doubt you can fix the world's problems. You will blend culture, sustainability, and innovation to help Hawaii survive and thrive. HawaiiKidsCAN understands change must happen at the community and systems levels. Partners like Representative Justin Woodson and Senator Donovan Dela Cruz and the Hawaii State Legislature have worked closely with me to pass laws that make sure all kids have a chance to learn computer science skills. They share our vision for Hawaii, and their partnership ensures we are able to move the needle for kids again and again, despite thousands of bills fighting for attention each year. The future is already here, and computer science skills are just as vital as reading, writing, and arithmetic. In Hawaii, these jobs are growing twice as fast and pay twice as much as all others. With these skills and universal access to internet and devices, kids in Hawaii will be able to stay in this place that they love, while enjoying financial stability.
Me and Cheryl was inspired to get Wi-Fi on wheels rolling in Hawaii.
Let's solve two problems at once. We've got these buses. Let's put some Wi-Fi routers on them.
Looking at you, I know there's no time to waste. I know I can't do it alone. If this movement is successful, it's only because students, parents, and community members came together to advocate for a high-quality education for all kids. Failure is not an option. With you as my inspiration, my fight continues to build an education system worthy of the immense potential of all our children. That's my pledge to you.